Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Challenger Genesis 398 XLB Special Edition is a well-built luxury motorhome that exemplifies high-end living and clever design, making it a very attractive choice for full-time occupancy. By emphasizing roominess, practicality, and residential-level luxury, it goes beyond the conventional notion of a recreational vehicle and becomes a rolling haven for individuals looking for a luxurious yet mobile way of life. The Genesis 398 XLB has a sleek, contemporary look from the outside that conceals its large capacity. Clean lines and a high-end finish are key components of its design, which uses premium materials to guarantee longevity and a chic look. The term Special Edition probably suggests custom paint jobs, distinctive exterior lighting, and possibly a more aerodynamic body shape to increase highway stability and fuel economy. Discreetly positioned, spacious integrated storage compartments provide enough room for all the essentials of daily life without sacrificing the vehicle's appearance. In the interior, the Genesis 398 XLB really lives up to its moniker as a home. Large windows and a well-thought-out floor layout create an air of openness and natural light as soon as one walks in. With separate areas for sleeping, eating, living, and bathing, the design is ideal for full-time habitation and fosters a sense of seclusion and isolation. With soft couches, a big screen TV, and a sound system, the living room is a cozy lounge that's ideal for entertaining or unwinding. With residential-sized appliances, a roomy countertop, and plenty of storage, the kitchen is a chef's paradise, enabling authentic cooking and meal preparation. The back master suite, which provides a degree of comfort and seclusion uncommon in a camper, is the interior's focal point. A separate ensuite bathroom with a full-size shower and high-end fixtures, a king-size bed, and plenty of storage space give the impression that the room is a bedroom in a typical home. The name's XLB perhaps alludes to an extra-large bedroom, highlighting the owner's spaciousness and luxury. A separate office or study space may also be included in the motorhome, which is a crucial element for people who work remotely and guarantees that business and personal life may coexist peacefully in the mobile setting. The Challenger Genesis 398 XLB is designed for long-term dependability and self-sufficiency beneath its opulent exterior. Its sturdy chassis, strong and effective engine, and advanced suspension system guarantee a quiet and comfortable ride. Longer durations of off-grid life may be possible with the Special Edition's improved power systems, which might feature a larger battery bank with more solar panels and a thorough water filtering system. Every part, including the insulation and electrical and plumbing systems, is designed to endure the rigors of constant usage, offering a degree of comfort and dependability that is crucial for a full-time occupant. The Challenger Genesis 398 XLB Special Edition is really more than just a car. It's a finely crafted luxury residence on wheels that provides a life of independence without compromising home comforts.